Alright, we're going to replace these stock fog lights here with some Morimoto XB LED fog lights right here. All should be plug and play, really should be pretty simple. We already got one done, so we'll do the other. First step is obviously remove honeycomb grill. Just pull pretty lightly and it will come right off. Second step is going to be 2 screws, 1 and 2 right in there. Get closer. 1 there, 1 down there. You're going to want to take those out, which can be done with one of these, easily just available at a hardware store. So let's go ahead and take those out and get started on the rest. There's one. And here is 2. Now right here, you see there's a little tab up there. You can get it in. Right up there is a small tab. We're just gonna gently pull down. It's gonna slide right out. And you'll see right here, everything's hooked up on the back. So next step would be disconnect the original fog light here. Just kind of shake it, jimmy it. Tab, we're out, disconnected. Alright, now that we have the light off, we're going to work on installing it. This is what it's going to be, basically plug and play into there. We have our light here, and we are going to grab one of these. Comes in the box with the product. It's basic like that. We're going to grab the light here. We're going to take these 2 tabs off. And then what you're going to want to do is fit those 2 right in there. Now they need to be set up a certain way that they'll work. They should be both kind of like facing in a little bit on the tab, just like that. Okay, we got this all fitted nice and flush. The wire went through. Now before we fit everything, just how it went, we want to make sure it's going to line up correct. But first, let's just plug it in. Hence the definition of plug and play. This is just going to literally plug right into there. Let's do that. Make sure everything's still in there nice and tight. Just like that. We're gonna grab the keys just before I tighten everything, make sure light's coming through. We got light coming through. So let's line this up. Put that wire back in there. Tab's gonna fit right up there, just where it was. Just like that. Hold it in place for a second. Let me find my screws. Got my screws right here. And then let's screw this right back in. Just like that. Check everything's nice and tight. Before we try everything back to make sure we're working. We are. Got the honeycomb grill. This is also an extra upgrade. You can see a different YouTube video further down on my page that I did on this. Super easy to install. Only like 30 bucks and matches the RS5 grill that I do have. Right there. So here's the last step, installing the honeycomb grill. This is just going to slide in. There's some tabs. Slides right in. Get that lined up correct. There we go. And you'll hear it just kind of click in. make sure it's in there nice and tight, and then you're all set. And you can test it out again, turn on the lights quick, and we have LEDs. Right there. Go to this side. And there. And that's it. This is a 2011 B8 S5 with the Morimoto XB LED fog lights. You can find more on Instagram at Carzak, or here on YouTube at Carzak as well, or carzak.com.